Does your device need repair? We offer a no-obligation diagnosis. We collect and deliver to your home, no calls and no traveling. We'll send you the quote before we repair, and we only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the potentiometer in your Thermomix TM31. This is a crucial component that controls the speed settings of your machine, and if it's malfunctioning, it can affect your cooking experience. Let's get started. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. You may also need a small brush for cleaning and some isopropyl alcohol for sanitizing the internal components. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM31 from the mains. Safety is paramount, so ensure that the appliance is completely disconnected before proceeding. Next, remove the base cover. Use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the screws located at the bottom of the machine. There are typically 4 screws that need to be removed. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the base cover off. You may need to use a flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be careful not to damage any clips or connectors. Now you will see the internal components of the Thermomix. Locate the potentiometer, which is usually situated near the control panel. It's a small cylindrical component with 3 terminals. Before removing it, take a moment to clean the area with your brush and isopropyl alcohol to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. To remove the potentiometer, carefully disconnect the wires attached to it. Make a note of where each wire connects, as you will need to reconnect them to the new potentiometer. If you find this process daunting, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you have the support you need. Once the wires are disconnected, use your pliers to gently pull the potentiometer out of its housing. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components during this process. Now take your new potentiometer and insert it into the same housing. Reconnect the wires according to your notes. Ensure that each connection is secure to avoid any issues later on. After the new potentiometer is in place, it's time to reassemble your Thermomix. Replace the base cover and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightly fastened to prevent any rattling or movement during use. Before plugging your Thermomix back in, take a moment to clean any fingerprints or smudges from the exterior. A clean appliance not only looks good, but also functions better. Now, plug your Thermomix TM31 back into the mains and test the new potentiometer. Turn the dial to see if the speed settings respond correctly. If everything is functioning as it should, congratulations, you've successfully replaced the potentiometer. If you encounter any issues, or if this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your appliance. No calls, no travel, just a simple and convenient service. Finally, if you need assistance or a quote before repair, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help you keep your Thermomix in top condition, ensuring it serves you well for years to come. Does your device need repair? We offer a no-obligation diagnosis. We collect and deliver to your home, no calls and no traveling. We'll send you the quote before we repair, and we only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.